If you are dating and want to get into a relationship, you must follow these 7 tips. And if you are already in a relationship, some of them will still apply to you too. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high value women secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Sunday, and in between I upload plenty of shorts. Just before I will share with you those 7 tips, why don't you take my free self-awareness test to find out are you behaving as a woman of high value or low value, which I will drop down in my video description box below. I also have a free goodie for you ladies to download. It's called Love at Last. I will also link it down below, and if you didn't get it yet, I highly recommend you to get my book. It's called Devoted Relationships and it's available for sale on my website or on Amazon. So now, my queens, without further ado, the tip number 1. You are mine. What does he mean when he says it? Does it mean we are exclusive? Does it mean we are in a committed relationship? Does it mean he loves me and I should not be dating others? Or is just mixed signals? Ladies, when a guy tells you you are mine, try not to pay too much attention to it. Because the truth is, it could be just charms, and he could be telling Greta, you are mine, Susie, you are mine, Lisa, you are mine, right? Just marking his territory and making you think that perhaps you are exclusive or already in a relationship with him without him saying it directly. Majority of the time, it's mixed signals and it's to put in confusion and at the same time kind of make you think that you guys are exclusive so you would not be dating other people. The best thing to do when you hear something like that, smile, but don't take it for the real deal. If you want to know, are you his or not his? All he needs to do is officially ask you to be his girlfriend. And then you will know, are you exclusive or not. You are mine, you are this, you are that. It's sweet, it's nice, it shows that he likes you, it shows that he cares about you perhaps, but let it go over your head and don't pay too much attention to it. Number 2, give one bite at a time. Let me explain. Don't tell him what you like. Don't tell him your full life story. Let him figure you out by spending time with you, by dating you, by investing into you. Let him ask you questions and see for himself how you respond to different situations, places, music, and restaurants. Dating is a process of learning about each other. Therefore, keep it there. Don't blab it all away and then completely take away mystery and fun. Remember, men like putting pieces together. They like figuring you out. Give it bit by bit so he doesn't overeat the cake and gets sick. 3. Stay patient, don't push it. If you're talking to him and you're clicking, enjoy the conversations, but don't suggest the dates. Don't imply that you want to see him. Don't go over to drop by in his area. Don't hint that you are into him. He would ask you out. Just enjoy the conversation and let him take the lead by staying patient. Because if he likes you, he will make it known and he will ask you out. Just wait. Number 4, unless he says you guys are together, you are not. Unless he puts the pics of you both on social media, unless he introduces you to his friends and family, unless he calls you his love girlfriend, the one and only, your relationship is invalid. You want to know if a couple is happy in a relationship? Just watch how a man treats a woman. Number 5, control your emotions. Believe in yourself but not in your emotions. A lot of times women don't believe in themselves and we think we are unworthy, but we blindly believe in their emotions and completely act on them. That way we end up losing in relationships. Instead, believe in yourself, have self-value and worth, but don't believe in your emotions, meaning assumptions, overthinking, imagining things, etc. When you feel upset and are about to lose emotional control, reject your emotions, make them in your head invalid, and follow the right thing to do. Follow your head, follow the logic. That's how you will always win in love. Ladies, when a man tells you he is not ready for a relationship, you should stop allowing him to kiss you, hold your hand, or any other naughty stuff. If he says, let's just have fun, say, oh, I have tons of fun in my life, but I do not kiss my friends. Or even better, step back and stop entertaining him altogether. Leave the games for the kids. Here comes the number 7. Ladies, when a man asks you for space, you do not go after him asking what's wrong. You seem so emotionally closed off. You need to open up more. Let's talk it out. You do not call or text, as this way you're behaving needy and disrespecting his request. Instead, behave like you trust him and show him respect by giving him space. And the less you will bother him, the quicker he will be back. So ladies, these were my 7 tips. If you like my video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. Check out my VIP High Value Women Tribe. It's a special, private, confidential group where we do coaching lives 5 times a week and we answer everyone's questions. The link to it and more detail about it will be in my video description box below. And for one-on-one with me or a member of my team, book me through my website so we can hold your hand and guide you through a dating or relationship situation. Thank you for watching. Kisses.